Aloha everyone, it's Lynn with iHula Hawaii, bringing the hula of Hawaii to you. In today's video, we will learn the final part to the Hawaiian Lullaby. Since this is a repeat of the motions, let's do the feet and hands together in slow motion. Picking up with our 4 ka'o, we're going to do the final verse 2 one last time, where we live, straight out from the sides into your home. 3, 4, there are rainbows. 1, 2, 3, 4, point your right foot with life in the laughter of morning. Down, 2, 3, 4, and starry, twinkle on the right and left. Nights, show the night sky, kahola right, 2, left, 2, 1 vamp on the right, out, in, step back on your left, both hands out to the sides, and bring forward in your finished position. Now let's do it together in real time. Now that you've learned the end, let's practice a bit more. We're going to back up to the middle of the song where we left off in our last video. Dancing verse 1, the hui, verse 2, and now our end.
Where I live, there are rainbows and flowers full of colors and birds filled with song. I can smile as it rains in Waimea and touch the warmth of the sun in Kona. I hear children laughing in this place that I love and where we live. There are rainbows with life in the laughter of morning and starry
Mahalo for tuning in with iHula Hawaii. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give a thumbs up if you've enjoyed this video, and please share my channel with someone. Also, feel free to leave a comment or a question below, and I look forward to seeing you back next week with the full version of the Hawaiian Lullaby. Until we see each other again, a hui ho and aloha.